Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Nabil Arduino, but you can call me Nabil. In this time, I wanna show you my presentation that is about lessons of IoT. In this case, there is a new material in the second semester. There is Arduino. Okay, the first thing that is the first thing is a table of content. In table of content, there is I want to show you there's about the content of introduce, maybe or how to download it, story of Arduino, type of Arduino, IDE, and my Arduino project. Okay, let's go to the next slide. The first thing, there's a introduce. Introduce there's about the Arduino. And what is Arduino? The Arduino is an open source hardware and software company project and user community that designs and manufactures single board microcontroller and microcontroller kits for building digital device. Its hardware products are licensed by under CC by EYSA license, while software is licensed under the GNU, Research General Public License (LGPL), or GNU General Public License (GPL). Arduino was designed use a variety of microprocessors and controllers. The board are equipped with sets of digital and analog input and output, or we can say it if you like a auto stop concept maybe in E and O. There is a input and output. Okay, pins that might be interface to various expansions board shields or breadboards and other circuits. The boards feature a serial communication interface including universal serial bus, or we can say it a USB, on some models, which are also used for loading programs. Okay, maybe there is all for a introduce the Arduino. And now Arduino. Okay, the next slide is how to download it. Okay, maybe there is all of the downloading. Okay, or you know that know how to download it, the Arduino IDE. Okay, and the next slide we have a story of Arduino. Okay, in here I want to show you the maybe a brief story about the Arduino. The Arduino is all started with a thesis written by Hermando Barragán at the Institute Ivrea outside Italy in 2005, developed by Massimo Banzi and David Quarles, and named Arduino of Ivrea. Then it was renamed Arduino, which in Italian meant brave friend. And maybe there's a little bit word of brave friends. Arduino initial goal was to create easy and inexpensive device from exciting device at the time. And these tools are intended for students who will create designs and interactions tools. Okay, maybe there's for a story of Arduino. We have to go. Let's go to the next slide. The next slide we have a type of Arduino. Maybe in this type of Arduino, I just can say that three types. The first type is Arduino. Arduino Uno. Maybe you are know there is what Arduino Uno. Arduino Uno. This type is most widely used. In there is because I said you are maybe know what Arduino Uno. Especially for beginners, it is highly recommended to use Arduino Uno because there is a little bit easy and there are lots of references that discuss Arduino Uno. The latest version is Arduino Uno R3, or we can say it revision 3, using Atmega 3 to 8 to 328 as its microcontroller. Has 15 digital I/O pins, input-output pins, and 6 analog input pins. For programming, it is enough to use a USB connection type A to type B, same as used in USB printers. Okay. The next we have Arduino Duo. Unlike its brother, Arduino Duo does not use Atmega, but with a higher chip that is said maybe ARM Cortex CPU. It has 15 4 digital input-output pins and 12 analog input pins for programming using micro USB. It is found on some cell phones. Okay. Next is we have or the last we have Arduino Nano. As the name suggests, Arduino, the name was suggests. Maybe Arduino, Arduino, or Arduino Nano. This small and very simple Nano save a lot of facilities. Already equipped with VCDI for programming via micro USB. 14 digital input-output pins and 8 analog input pins. More than you know. The is like maybe just six input pin, but nano is 8 input pins. Okay, and some use Atmega 168 or Atmega 328. Okay, there's a illustration of the Arduino Nano, and this you can see the text Nano. Okay, go to the next slide. Okay, there's a IDA. And what is IDA? The IDA is the Arduino Integrated Development Environment, or we can say it ADA. Is a cross-platform application for Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Okay, there is written in a Java programming language. It originated from the IDE for the language processing and wiring. It includes a code editor, indenting, brushed materials, a code editor with features such as
text cutting and pasting, searching and replacing text, automatic indenting, breast matching, and syntax highlighting, and provide a simple one-click mechanism to compile and upload the program to an Arduino board. It also contains a message array, a text console, a toolbar with buttons for common function, and a hierarchy of operations menus. The source code for the IDE is released under the GNU General Public License version 2. Okay, we can go to the next slide. In the next slide, we have my Arduino project. There is my Arduino project, or can say it smart home. Make some, how to say it, like you can detect some Celsius. That is why the name is smart home. Okay. That is all from me. Sorry about my mistake on the language or words. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.